What is SUI? The SUI blockchain makes digital asset ownership fast, private, secure, and accessible to everyone. This Layer 1 smart contract platform uses innovative concepts to achieve incredible transaction velocity and scalability. Its native programming language, SUI Move, evolved from the original Move programming language to enable a new consensus model for blockchains. Where most blockchains focus on accounts, SUI Move makes objects the primary unit of storage on the SUI blockchain. Focusing on objects gives developers endless opportunities to program them. For example, NFTs on SUI are objects, and an NFT on SUI could be programmed to change its look based on the time of day or geographic location. Moving to this object-focused model means that one object can belong to another. That concept is impossible on blockchains that only let accounts own assets. Using this paradigm, a car in a racing game can be a collection of objects. The car itself would be the primary object, which owns objects representing the engine, wheels, or any other part. Players could buy or build replacement engines or other parts, which all exist as objects on SUI. Objects on SUI can also have shared ownership, where multiple people may initiate changes to the object. A gaming example could be a chess game, where both players share ownership of the object and can make alternating moves affecting the object's state. This distinction between single owners and shared objects lets SUI's consensus engine deliver optimal performance. One part of the consensus engine sorts transactions involving single owner and shared objects, only sending the shared objects to the next phase where they undergo global validation. In this model, SUI recognizes that single-owner object transactions can be trusted and don't require the most resource-intensive global validation. Other blockchains require all transactions to go through global consensus using serial processing instead of SUI's parallel processing. SUI's tokenomics model was designed to allow the network to scale. On most blockchains, as transaction volume increases, gas fees increase as well. This model makes it more expensive to conduct transactions during high-traffic events. SUI believes that everyone should have equal access to high-velocity transactions without paying more. Instead of raising gas fees as traffic increases, validators can handle increased traffic by bringing more resources online, scaling horizontally. Many of SUI's technical concepts are tried and true in the general computing world but have only now made it to blockchains. SUI delivers the kind of performance and efficiency that both developers and users around the world expect. Visit Binance Academy to learn more about blockchain and real-life applications.